Oh, man. Let me show you something here. Watch this. Watch this. Look here. Watch here. What? Here's the way the Indians done. Look.
Okay, then.
You know what the Indians are?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, okay. All right. I needed somebody to help me while I was going on the sleigh. I couldn't get that thing to roll. Where's Grandpa at? He gone? He working today? He's too, he's having too much fun playing, ain't he?
What is it? Why I just left?
Oh man, way to go. All right, way to go. Get him again, get him again. All right.
Just don't hit me.
That's a good football guy. Get him good.
Honey, put another blanket on her. It's cold.
Put Kaden in sleigh.
Oh, take it! Look.
Put another blanket on.
Come on, get it. Let's go ride.
Let's go run.
Ready?
Hold tight. Wait. Put your foot like this. Okay. Honey.
Ready? Hold on.
Hold up.
Hold the side.
Hold the side right here. Kaden, hold right here. Hold tight. Don't pull up too fast because you're going to fall back.
Ready?
Don't pull too fast because you're going to fall back. Okay, get the other one.
Let's ride the big one, Kaden. You ride the big one?
No, it's the car. Let me get the basket so I can make some snowman.
Let's ride this one, Kaden.
Isn't that gonna mess it up? Give me the shovel.
Go back to what you're doing. Don't take it.
No.
Yeah, break it.
No, where's all the snow?
Stand behind him.